When the global pandemic struck, many companies found themselves stepping up to manufacture essential supplies. Dymax supported medical manufacturers as they increased their production and offered to help businesses in other industries as they converted their assembly lines. When Origin, a manufacturer of 3D printers, approached Dymax about partnering on a unique project, our team was ready to help. After realizing that suppliers couldn't fully meet the demand for COVID-19 test kits, Origin began designing a 3D printed nasopharyngeal test swab. Once the design was complete, the process had to be scaled up. Dymax provided several UVCS light-carrying conveyor systems to the project. Large batches of swabs could quickly be post-cured, helping Origin meet the skyrocketing demand. Origin was able to produce over 2 million swabs in just several weeks. Dymax is proud to be part of their solution.